In which state first RISE ATM has to be set up? Karnataka. Who has launched India's first remote monitoring system of gas turbines? IOCL. In which state the Thobul Multipurpose Project was established? Manipur. BSS UKM and NKG Biofuel partnered to set up India's first ethanol plant under PPP model in which state? Chhattisgarh. In which state the researchers has discovered two new species called Hedychium mechucanum and Amomum arunachalens? Arunachal Pradesh. Which state's APTA completion portal won the Silver Icon Award for innovation during pandemics? Bihar. With which country India exchanged the list of nuclear installations? Pakistan. Which country is set to join as the sixth member of the Five Eyes Intelligence Network? Japan. Which organization celebrated its 63rd Foundation Day on 1st January 2021? DRDO. Who has been honored with Raja Man Singh Tomar Award 2020? Abhinav Kala Parishad. Who has taken over as the chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL? Soma Mondal. As a part of Mission Sagar 3rd, Indian naval ship INS Kiltan has reached which country to deliver relief materials? Cambodia. Which department has won the Gold Icon Award Excellence in Digital Governance Ministry? Department of Post. Who is the author of the book titled Sabarimala Vijanana Kosham? K.S. Vijayanath. The Thobal Multipurpose Project, Thobal Dam, has been inaugurated in which city? Imphal.